Hey, this is Uncle JT. In less than 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how I clean my Foodie grill. Yes, the Ninja XL Pro 7-in-1 grill and griddle. It's going to take you about 90 minutes and a lot of elbow grease. Let's get started. First of all, get you a comfortable surface to work on. I'm working on some granite, so I'm going to cover it with a nice pad just to protect that surface. Now let's take a look up under the hood. And sure enough, we need to clean it. First thing we need to do is to remove the filter. It just pops right off. Next, with 4 screws, we can literally remove the first plate. This plate comes off, set it to the side. Be sure to keep track of all your screws. The same number of screws you start out with is exactly what you want to end up with. On the plate itself, there are 2 additional screws. Let's remove those as well. Now we've laid out everything that we've removed from the Foodie grill. All these components are found up in the hood. Now, what kind of tools do we need to clean this with? Basically, there are about 5 or 6 tools that you need to get. I always use an aluminum tray so I can put all my parts in it and let them soak. Next, you need something to clean it with. What's the best cleanser to get? I've found the best cleanser is the barkeeper's friend. Along with that, you're also going to need a can of Easy Off. I recommend the fume-free. That works best. And a scrub pad. It's good to have a little cup as well as a pair of gloves. After putting all the parts in my aluminum tray, now take all the parts and spray them down with a good full bath from the Easy Off. They're going to sit here in this Easy Off for about 90 minutes. Now you may have to come back and respray it again, but that's okay. Take your cup, mix a little water with the barkeeper's friend. Make a little paste, as it were. Take this paste with the scowl pad and spread it all around the inside of the Foodie grill. Give it a few minutes, and what you want to do is just continually go around the entire hood over and over and over. And what will happen is you will begin to see how, because of the barkeeper's friend working, it will begin to clean off that grill. And yes, clean off it does. Now once it's done and clean, we now can put everything back together in reverse. This is how you clean the Foodie grill. This has been Uncle JT. To make it easy for you, Uncle JT provides the URL link to all the cleaning supplies in the description below.